Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to solve connection is not private in Chrome 2024. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to fix that problem, go to the upper right corner of the screen and you will see these three dots. Click on this and scroll down until you see Settings. Click on Settings. And from here, go to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. From here, click on Security and then scroll down until you see the Advanced Security Settings and then turn off this setting. Always use secure connections, use HTTPS whenever possible, and get warned before loading sites that don't support it. Turn this off and then go back to the website that you're trying to load. Now double click on this address bar and then remove the S from the HTTPS and then press on enter. And once you do that, the website that you're trying to access should load properly. And that is how to solve connection is not private in Chrome 2024. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.